respected teachers and my dear friends, good evening to one and all. My name is Sujit. I am studying 9th class. My tuition name is Lokshit Tutorial. Today my seminar topic is matter around us. Let us discuss about matter around us. There are three states are there and three types of gases are there. These are three types of states are solids, liquids and gases. Solids is nothing but when we are using our like ice cubes etc. These are solids. We cannot put in our finger in that soil. And next we can discuss about, because soil has a small, it cannot have small type of gap also did not have, because that is soil. They can prepare like soil. The ice cubes are also a soil. When we putting in our hand in the ice cubes, we can put into the ice cubes our finger. No, because the solids are become very brick like structure, and we cannot put in the inner of the ice cube. And next we can discuss about liquids. Liquids is nothing but when we are using the liquids like water etc. When we put our hand with our finger, it can put like, we can go into the put finger in there, because we can do this one activity for this. Take 4-5 beakers, and in one beaker take 100 ml of water. In 4 beakers we take 90 ml of water in it. And next in one beaker 100 ml of water in beaker, we can add some type of color in that. And next we can observe that take that 10 ml of in that 100 ml water, take 10 ml of that and pour in the second beaker. And next in that take 10 ml of water and pour in third beaker. Like this, do all activity. We activated that the color of the water will change into the light in color. If we are in pink in color, the light pink will prepared in that water. And next we do another activity for this. Take 3 beakers and add in one beaker add water, and in that add salt. When we are stirring it, the water cannot be increased or decreased. We cannot know, because the salt was dissolved in the water. So the water will not change the state of motion or rest, because when we pour the salt, it can go to increase the water. When we stir it, when the salt dissolves in the in that water, and we can observe the salt particles will be dissolved in the soil. The soil did not dissolve in the water. The water did not increase or decrease in that. And next we can discuss about gases. Gases is nothing but when we are using like balloons like in the gases with the help of gas. When we are using gases has large number of spaces in that, because we are living in gas. Gas is the main part of our life. And next we can discuss about 3 types of gases. Friends, in that gas we can discuss about 3 types of gas. There are 3 types of gas like CNG, LPG and natural gas. CNG is nothing but which has compressed natural gas. It became like with the help of natural gas. And next, compressed natural gas is nothing but which is running with the help of vehicles etc. Vehicles also using with the help of CNG. Some vehicles are in cities, we can observe some vehicles are using with the help of CNG gas. In that there has CNG filling station in it. And next we can discuss about LPG. Friends, what is the meaning of LPG? LPG is nothing but when we are using liquefied purified gas. The liquefied purified gas is nothing, petroleum gas is nothing but when we observe in the kitchens etc. That is the LPG gas. LPG gas is the main part of our life, because LPG helps us to cook any object or any item. And next we can discuss about natural gas. Friends, what's the meaning of natural gas? Natural gas is nothing but when we are using if there is no natural gas, there is no any type of diesel or any petrol. The natural gas is the main part of our life. Friends, we do one activity for this. We can do that. Where did natural gas find? We can observe that after soil we can observe some systematic rocks are in the soil. After we can in that down we can have bridge like structure, and in that down we can observe petroleum gas, and after we can observe that natural gas. And after, in that natural gas, after we find water. In that natural gas, with the there we take this natural gas, and after they can recycling with the help of kerosene or any petrol or diesel. Because our natural gas, if there is no natural gas, we cannot use the vehicles, etc. And next, thanking you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.